Nihari vs Haleem, the art of slow cooking in South Asian cuisine. What if comfort had a flavor, and patience was the main ingredient that's the heart of South Asian slow cooking? And two dishes that perfectly embody this tradition are Nihari and Haleem. Rich, bold, and deeply satisfying, these stews are not just food, they're cultural legacies simmered over low heat and centuries of history. Nihari is a dish of royalty, believed to have originated in the Mughal kitchens of Delhi and perfected in Pakistan's food streets. Traditionally eaten as a breakfast dish, its name comes from nahar, meaning morning in Arabic. Nihari is made by slow-cooking beef or lamb shanks overnight with spices like fennel, cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon until the meat is tender enough to fall apart with a touch. The marrow melts into the gravy, giving it a silky texture and deep umami flavor. It's usually served with naan, lemon wedges, fresh ginger, and a sprinkle of cilantro. On the other hand, Haleem is a culinary symphony. A combination of wheat, lentils, barley, and meat, this dish is patiently stirred for hours until everything blends into a thick, creamy paste. Originating from the Middle East and adapted by Hyderabadis and Pakistanis, Haleem is rich, dense, and filling, a complete meal in itself. With layers of flavor that come from slow-cooked aromatics, ghee, and whole spices, it's often enjoyed during Ramadan or festive events. Topped with fried onions, lemon juice, green chilies, and mint, Haleem is the kind of dish that hugs you from the inside out. While Nihari is all about bold, meaty depth and aromatic oils, Haleem is more balanced, earthy, and textured. One feels luxurious and spicy, the other hearty and nourishing. What binds them is the sacred time they require, slow cooking for hours, allowing every ingredient to soften, merge, and speak in harmony. Preparing either of these dishes is an act of culinary devotion. You don't rush a good Nihari or Haleem. You coax out the flavor with patience, stirring slowly, tasting gently, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Both dishes are excellent reminders that in a world obsessed with speed, some of the best things still come low and slow. Which one wins your vote in the world of slow-cooked South Asian comfort food?